This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials in place: a compatible smart scale and an iPhone with Bluetooth enabled. Open the Scale Maker's app and grant Health app access so readings can sync. Place the scale on a firm, level surface and step on barefoot to reduce variance. This improves sensor contact and accuracy. Once done, follow the app's on-screen pairing prompt to detect the scale. Make sure the scale shows a stable 0 before stepping on. That prevents offset errors and gives a reliable first reading. Next, pair and calibrate so measurements are trustworthy. In the manufacturer app, complete Bluetooth pairing and apply any firmware updates. Updates often fix accuracy bugs. Calibrate by following prompts, usually stepping on and off so the scale sets a baseline, because calibration aligns internal sensors with known load. Make sure the app is allowed to write data to Health, then enable automatic sync. Once synced, your iPhone will aggregate readings into trends. This matters because single values vary, while trends show true progress over time. Finish by verifying that each measurement appears in the Health app with correct timestamp and units. Consistency matters, so weigh at the same time of day for valid comparisons. If you use multiple scales or accounts, select the correct data source in Health settings to avoid duplicates. If a reading seems off, retake it. A wet or uneven floor can skew results. Troubleshoot by restarting Bluetooth, updating the app and scale firmware, and repairing if the device won't sync. These steps fix most connection and accuracy issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.